members of the Bauchi State Executive Council have already resigned their positions, having indicated interest in contesting for various elective offices. I commend their service, their loyalty, and their contributions to our administration. We thank them sincerely and wish them success in the future. We also want to thank our party. We love you because we are PDP at heart. We can provide good governance for this country. To ensure a seamless and lawful transition, we have the formal resignation of interested members in accordance with the law. 4. Engagement with the leadership of the APM strengthening party structures across all the tiers of government, from local to world and state levels. The constitution of a committee to interface with the Independent National Electoral Commission with that regard with transparency. And lastly, the out of uncertainty, but out of clarity. It is not a retreat, but a strategic repositioning. We have acted after due diligence, required consultation, and careful reflection. I urge all our members and supporters to remain clarity. We shall succeed. Thank you very much for listening.
Thank you, Excellency, for this wonderful presentation. Let's hold our hands together once again. People's Movement APM, Alhaji Yusuf Muhammad Dantale, for his goodwill message and the presentation of the flag to His Excellency. Let's put our hands together, ladies and gentlemen, to our people of the
Assalamu alaikum, Your Excellency, Senator Bala. His Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Bauchi State, the Speaker of Bauchi State, Secretary to the government of the state, officials of government here, our elder statesmen and senators, House of Representative members and State Assembly, the National Secretary of the Allied People's Movement, Chief Ayodele Oyade Adebayo, the Northeast Zonal Chairman of the party, Mama, you are welcome. other members of the party here present, the leaders of Bauchi State, and officials of PDP that are present here, members of the media and security agencies, ladies and gentlemen. Your Excellency, I have listened to you carefully to choose your words. We'll start by telling you what is APM. The Allied People's Movement is a very clean and democratic party whose motto is Nigeria first. And slogan is integrity, sacrifice, and service. While political parties, so where you hear Nigeria APM, you respond with Nigeria first. When you hear Nigeria first is APM. But that does not mean you cannot localize it. Bauchi State is one state that is peculiar in the north and Nigeria at large when it comes to decision taking. It is one state that all political parties contest fairly to win election, and that speaks about the democratic nature and inclusivity and consideration for all segments of the society. Thank you so much for providing that leadership. Before today, in the last local government election, I'm sorry, my state chairman, forgive me, it's an oversight. My party won councillorship election, and it was delivered, even though State Independent Electoral Commission is one institution that we have been advocating for is scrapping, because what happened at the state local government election is not reflective of democratic exercise. But in Bauchi, APM won and it was delivered. Thank you, Your Excellency, for being democratic. And it's not just APM. Thank you. So, not just APM, the AAC, the YP21, all these are reflection, or is a reflection of your acceptability nature and the leadership quality. APM is a party that does not have a hidden godfather or a secret godfather. Our godfather is the constitution of the party. It is an egalitarian party that every man, woman, young, old, their voice are respected. Their suggestions are respected. We allow things to happen. So when I was approached and I conveyed the message to the people that this is the overture that is coming from Bauchi, everybody danced and it's, oh, Bauchi State Governor, he's a Democrat, let's go, and then we all discuss. Your Excellency, sir, I want to tell you this and the people of Bauchi State. But before I tell you, I want to ask them, sincerely from your heart, is it your collective decision that is it your collective decision? Is it your collective decision? Yeah. Okay. No. APM, Nigeria Force. Thank you, Your Excellency. Come. are still discussing. Your Excellency, let me congratulate you that I have witnessed, and the leadership of APM have witnessed that your people have asked you to join the APM, and here, on behalf of the leadership of APM, we wholeheartedly welcome you into the party as your whole.